Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jobscan to match ATS keywords for LinkedIn. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Jobscan website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Provide the required information, such as your name and email address. After registering, log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard and access the LinkedIn section. Click on the option that says Match your LinkedIn profile with job descriptions. You will see a prompt to copy and paste a job description for your desired position. Go to a job listing on a hiring site or your preferred job board. Highlight the job description text and copy it to your clipboard. Return to the Jobscan website and paste the job description into the designated field. Next, open your LinkedIn profile in a separate tab. Review your LinkedIn profile and focus on your headline, summary, and experience sections. Now, go back to Jobscan and find where it analyzes your LinkedIn profile. Click the button to initiate the keyword matching process. Jobscan will compare your profile against the job description you provided. After a few moments, the analysis results will appear. Check the suggested keywords and phrases that are missing from your profile. Incorporate these keywords into your LinkedIn sections for better optimization. Make sure to align your experiences and skills with the job description. Feel free to tweak your profile summary for enhanced clarity and impact. Once you have made the updates, revisit Jobscan to reanalyze your profile. Continue adjusting as necessary until your scores improve. This process will ensure your LinkedIn profile matches ATS requirements effectively. Remember to periodically update your profile as you apply for new positions. By following these steps, you can significantly increase your chances of getting noticed by recruiters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.